Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine and Devilish, Chapter 16, Shloka 13 and 14.
This has today been gained by me. This desire I shall obtain. This is mine, and this wealth shall also be mine in future.
Chapter 16, Shloka 13. Idhamadya maya labdham imam prapsye manoratham idhamasti idhamapi me bhavishyati punardhanam.
That enemy has been slain by me, and others also shall I destroy. I am the Lord, I am the enjoyer, I am perfect, powerful, and happy.
Chapter 16, Shloka 14. Aso maya hata shatruho hanishye cha aparanapi ishvaroham aham bhogi siddhoham balavan sukhi.
Chapter 16, Shloka 13 and 14. The Lord paints the materialist's attitude to life. The most successful man in the competitive world is the one who lives in constant consciousness of what he has already acquired and remembers and sweats for his day-to-day ambitions to acquire and possess more and more of the wealth of the world. The more he has, the more he craves for. He is ever discontented. His cry is only that I have this much and this wealth shall also be mine in the future. Through each desire, he wants to feel fully satisfied, and in his disappointment, he thirsts for more and more possessions. Earlier in the Gita, it is said, he who has disciplined and controlled himself to such an extent that the world stimuli cannot create in him even a ripple of reaction, alone knows what peace is and not the desirer of desires. Shloka 14. After describing the materialist's attitude to the physical things around, now his attitude towards the world of beings is described. All businessmen in the world unknowingly repeat in their hearts, I destroyed one competitor in the market, and now I must destroy the remaining competitors too. In fact, what can those poor men do to stop me from doing what I want? Because there is none equal to me in any respect. I am the Lord. I enjoy. I am the most successful man. I am strong in influence among political leaders, in my business connections, and in my bank balance. I am strong and healthy. This is the ego's song of success in the heart of every materialist. The higher instincts and the diviner urges in man go into sleep of intoxication. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video.
To understand Gita, join Chinmay Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmay Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.